Students, we are solving the question number 10 of exercise 6.3. Their information, whatever in the book it is given, figure is not drawn, figure I have drawn there. Triangle ABC and triangle FEG it is given. Their CD and the GH are the bisectors of the angle ACB and angle EGF. Okay, these are the bisectors of them. It is written CD and GH are bisectors of angle CB and angle EGF. And triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG it is given. And what we have to prove? CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. And triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. And triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. Now, how we have to prove? We'll see that since triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG, that is given. If they are similar, so therefore we can write ki angle, because the similar triangles are equiangular. Angle A equals what? Angle F, and angle B equals angle E, and angle C equal to angle G. Okay, this we can write. Angle C equal to angle G. And this is the information we have got. Okay. Now next, first part of that question, कि CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. So first we have to see, we have to compare the triangle ACD and triangle FGH. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Okay, this is the suppose information of the first, all the three information from the first. Angle ACD and the triangle FG and H. FG and H. So what will be? You will see that, students. First we have to prove that they are similar. Angle A equal to what? Angle F, that is common. No, that is given from 1. And half angle C equals half angle G. Half angle C equals what? Half angle G. So therefore angle ACD and half angle C means what? This is the from 1. Also we have taken angle C equal to G. Half angle C can be written as what? Angle ACD equals angle FGH. So now two information we have got. Angle A equal to F and angle AC equal to what? Angle FGH. Because CD and GH are bisectors. CD and GH are bisectors. So now we can write कि triangle ACD similar to triangle FGH. And if they are similar, by which rule? Double A similarity. And if they are similar, students, then we can write कि CD upon GH equals AC upon FG. Hence proved. This is the first part we have proved that. Hence proved. Now second part you will see that. Triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So what we'll do? Simply we have to compare both triangle in triangle DCB and triangle HGE. DCB means what? This is the DCB and HGE. So angle B equal to what? Angle E. This is given from 1. And angle DCB. Angle DCB equals angle HGE. Why angle HGE? because they are angle CD and GH are the bisectors, that are also because CD and GH and CD are bisectors, and already it is given like angle C equal to what, angle G from 1 to R bisector. Therefore we can write triangle DCB similar to triangle HG by double A similarity. Now third part the same, like we will do in triangle DCA and triangle HGF. DCA means angle A equal to what, angle F, and angle ACD equal to, that already we have proved that half angle C equal to half angle G. Angle ACD equal to angle FGH. See that ACD equal to FGH. This is the from one, and because the CD and GH are bisectors, CD and GH are bisectors, therefore we can write triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF by double A similarity. Hence proved. So there students, nothing was there, only the correct figure if you draw. If the correct figure means ABC triangle and FEG. Okay, if E you will put the upper side, then the problem will be there. F you will put the upper side, FEG, because it is written na there FEG triangle is there. So then you will think that ABC will be this and FEG will draw that, and you will see that GH is what, bisector, and it is lying on the FE. It will hint, whatever the question is given, it will hint how you have to draw the figure. If you draw the correct figure, then the answer will come. Okay.